Okay, good. Somebody. Whew, praise God. All right. So let's do our last video for the mastery points for investigation 1 on Let's Be Rational. It is unit 3, first investigation. Yeah, there's 3 mastery points available. Hopefully you guys get them. We already did all of the practice problems. Hopefully you get a 4 out of 4 on your test to get your points. So let's do a couple more on adding and subtracting fractions. Let's do a few more of these problems together. All right, it says find the difference. The difference means the answer to a subtraction problem. All right, so let me grab this real quick. Copy to clipboard. Put that here.
So, do you want your attendance when I come back?
Sure. So one of the things when let me get my pen out. Normally have on my board if we were in school is that sum, difference, product, and what is it? Divisor, dividend, and quotient. Sorry, had a brain fart. Quotient. So who can tell me what these words mean? Sum is the answer to a
math problem.
What kind of math problem? Addition. Difference means the answer to a
multiplication problem.
Subtraction.
I meant subtraction problem. Sorry.
Product means the answer to a
multiplication problem.
Multiplication. And quotient means the answer to a division problem. This is something that I have on my vocabulary wall, and it kind of stays up there all year. So I wanted to point that out. All right, this one says find the difference. Difference is a clue word that means subtraction. So you want a blank of 61 over 100 and 17 over 100. So order matters with division and order matters with subtraction. Now looking at what they are saying, it says find the difference of something and something. So the order would be 61 over 100 minus 17 over 100. So that is the order because order matters with subtraction. So basically we have the same rules of addition. You have to have the same denominator, which we do. So basically this is just 61 minus 17. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 4, 5 minus 1 is 4. So the answer is 44 over 100. It says type a whole number or a simplified fraction. So we have to simplify it because it specifically says simplify. So I can just make these in half by dividing by 2. Let's see. Let's do that again. 11 over 25 would be it because 11 is a prime number and 11 does not go into 25. So 11 over 25 I think is the answer. Let me go put it in. Clicking inside the box. 11 over 25. It is correct. All right, so that was one. Let's do another problem. You are baking a recipe with the ingredients listed below. How much flour? Then white sugar is in the recipe. How much is the brown sugar and the white sugar combined? So they want specifically complete the expression that shows how much more flour than white sugar is in the recipe. How much more? Complete the expression. Okay, complete the expression shows how much more flour, so how much flour, then white sugar. Flour is 4/6, then white sugar. So to find how much more, that is a subtraction problem. Check answer. Good job. How much more flour than white sugar is in the recipe? So now they want me to complete the answer. 4 minus 2 is 2 over 6, but it has to be simplified. 2 over 6 is the same as 1/3. Complete the expression that shows that there is of brown sugar, how much there is of brown sugar and the white sugar combined. Combined, clue word means addition. Check answer. How much of the brown sugar and the white sugar combined? So they want me to add these together. They have the same denominator, so 1 plus 2 is 3. 3/6. They want it to be simplified, so 3/6 is the same as 1/2. Oops, let me select fraction. 1 over 2. Check answer. Great job. All right, so I have completed 4 problems. So hopefully you can have enough instruction to help you complete the quiz me for adding and subtracting. Looks like there are 5 problems. That means you have to get 4 of them correct or 5 of them correct. All right, let's take a look at this last, since this is the last video, let's look at the last objection. We did that one already, didn't we? All right, young elephant. They have 2 different denominators. So let me go ahead and just take a snap of this. Go up to here. Okay. So it says, let me read it. A young elephant is 1 3/8 yards tall. It could grow another 1 1/2 yards tall before becoming an adult. How tall could the adult be? So this is an addition problem. I'm going to line it up this way, and I'm just going to do this strategy. 2 wholes, and then 3/8 and 2 1/2. So I need 2, 4, 6, 8, 8, 16. So the least common multiple is 8. So I am good with that. So I need to change this 1 1/2 to 1 and something over 8. So how would I do that? Scale up by a factor of 4. All right, so now we have 3 plus 4, which is 7/8. All right, 2 and 7/8 should be the answer. Let's put that in. I need a mixed number. 2 tab 7 tab 8. Check answer. Good. Let's do one more. Perform the following. 4 1/2. Plus 2 and 2/3. Let's grab that. All right, so let me just line it up. All right, 4, 5, 6 wholes, but we have 2 different denominators. So we need to find 2, 4, 6, 3, 6, 9, 6 is it. So I need to do some conversion. 4 1/2 is the same as 4 and what over 6? That will be times 3 times 3. because 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. Then we have 2 and 2/3 equals 2 and what over 6? That would be times 2 times 2, because 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 2 is 4. All right, so now I can add my numerators. 3 plus 4 is 7. 6, what do you notice? I have an improper, right? So that is the same as 7 and 1/6, because that's an improper. 7 and 1/6 should be my answer. Let's check it. 7, 1, 6. Check answer. Yes. All right, is there a subtraction one? I kind of want to do a subtraction one real quick. In a bike race, Elena rode, her teammate rode. How many miles did they ride in all? In all, that is addition. Let me find the subtraction. Young elephant, how heavy did the elephant become? That is an addition problem. Let me find a subtraction one. That's addition. Numbers and 3. What is total number of mine cleaning the house? That's total number. That's addition. Come on. Oh, here's a subtraction. I'm like, I need a subtraction problem. All right. Let's do this one. Copy to clipboard. Hopefully me doing these problems helps you in some way. All right. So we have 6 and 4/7 minus 5 and 3/4. All right, 6 minus 5. Let's see. Oh, I have two different denominators. That's the issue. That's the issue right there. Oops. 7 and 4. So let's figure out 7, 14, 21, 28. So 28 must be the least common multiple. Yeah, 28. Okay. So 4, 7 equals what over 28? Let me think. How do you get from 7 to 28? That is times 4. So the new numerator must be 16. All right, so then how do I get from 4 to 28? That must be times 7. 3 times 7 is 21. My new numerator is 21. All right, so here we go. So now we're ready to try to do our subtraction. So this problem has changed into 6 and 16 over 18. 16 over 18. 5 minus 5 and 21 over 8. 18. 28. So where I get 18 from? 28. All right. So can I do that? No, I cannot do 16 minus 21. So I need to borrow. I need to cash in a whole number because I can't do 16. So let me cash this in. So I just added 28 to that. So what is 28 plus 16? What's my new numerator? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 2, 3, 4, 44. So my new numerator is 24. Let me move this out the way. So now we have 5 and 24 over 28. Now I have enough parts. So what's 24 minus 21? 24 minus 21 is 3. 3 over 28. 5 minus 5 is 0. So 3 over 28 cannot be simplified. No. 3 over 28 should be the answer. 3 over 28. No? No, this is embarrassing. To subtract mixed numbers, 5. What happened?
Something miscalculated somewhere?
Yeah, I must make a mistake. Hold on. 5, 8, let's see, 6, 4, 7. Did I copy the problem correctly? Yes. Did I find the correct common denominator? 28? Yes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did I do this correctly? 7 times 4? Yes. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 7 is 28. 3 times 7 is 21. 16 minus 21, you can't do. 4, 7, 16 plus 28. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14. Oh, I didn't subtract correctly. Miss Lee. No, I was supposed to be adding, right? 28 plus 16. No, yeah, I was supposed to be, that was right. I was supposed to be adding. Because I cashed in one whole. 16, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 2, 3, 4, 44. Oh, I put 24 instead of 44. My new numerator is 24. That was the issue. I just copied it down wrong. It's 44. So 44 minus 21. It would be the adding and subtracting that. Actually, I just copied that down wrong. I can't even blame the adding and subtracting. All right, what's 44 minus 21? 323. So 23 over 28 should be the answer. Did I subtract that right? 23 over 28. Let me try again. 23 over 28. Can I please try again? 23. Oops. $23 over 28. Cross your fingers. It is correct. So I did my math right. I just, for some reason, I put, instead of putting 44, I put 24 over here. But I did everything else correct. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the video.